Hello everyone, my name is Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today we're in Katy with my lovely clients Ginny and Jim, and we are going to talk about this beautiful master bathroom that we just finished and how your experience was and show everybody how amazing this bathroom came out. So thank you.
Well, we just love our new bathroom. We went from a large spa tub and a small shower to a soaking tub and a walk-in shower for future use as seniors. So we think we made a good decision for our home and our lives together coming up.
Absolutely, and I think when we started with the design process, you made my job very easy because you pretty much knew what you wanted. You wanted this luxurious feel, you had a good idea of the colors that you wanted and what you wanted to do, so that was very helpful.
It was, I think we knew what we wanted and that helped, and having your company stick to our budget for the things that we wanted to do was also very helpful. So it was a good decision we made, and we're very happy.
And I'm happy because she really got what she wanted in the design, and I found your crew very easy to work with. They let me know what was happening each day. They worked on the weekend a couple of times to make schedule, and I was impressed by that.
Good, and that was going to be my next question, how you guys felt about the crew. And I mean, I know you always were telling me how great they were and everything, and that makes me very happy that you guys were very pleased with how everything went. The timeline was
kept. We did change the design, so that added a little extra time, but we came in right under the wire and everything worked. So it was important that everything worked for us.
Good. Now let's talk about this beautiful shower and tub. How do you feel about using this now that everything is finished, and how is this working out for you?
It's working very well. The handheld shower was an important part for me, and it's built for our future too. I had surgery last year, and this is a roll-in shower. From now on, if we have any difficulties, we're set. So from a long-term point of view, I think it's going to be even better.
And Ginny, I'm so happy that you got what you wanted.
I got my tub. I just wanted to be able to get into a tub, and this nice soaking tub fits in the space. Used to the faucets, and the handheld is very convenient for everything I want to do in this.
Well, I'm glad we were able to get this in here, because originally when we started out, we weren't sure if you guys wanted to even put a tub in there, because if it was going to be a tight space, because I know you wanted a bigger shower.
Well,
so I'm very happy that we were able to get that in there for you.
I am too. It all worked out. I threw Emery a curveball wanting a tub, but it worked, and
that's okay.
We appreciate it.
That's okay. Wonderful. So anything else that you would like to add?
No, just that it was a real experience that worked out to be really good for us.
Right. I'd just say that all the tradesmen were courteous and efficient, and they cleaned up, which is not always the case in my experience. So I had a good interaction with the crew.
Good. That makes me so happy to hear. Well, thank you so much for allowing us in your home to renovate your bathroom.
This was
a fun project, and I'm so happy. Thank you guys. It was amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you, and stay tuned for the next one.